friends, I have shown you how to make a floral bracelet. We just finished this one, and then we're going to make now the matching earring, matching dangling earring. The first part of the earring, I finished it already. The only thing that we must do is to place the fish hook into it. Now I'm going to make the second half, and for that we need one floral bead, one golden eye pin, and then I have one silver bead, two flower shape spacer, one flat spacer, one piece hook. I think that's what we need, and that's for, maybe we can use it for later. And then we need some open ring. And now for the first part, we're going to place our eye pin into the flower bead, and then the spacer, and then the flat bead, and another spacer, and the last one online is the silver bead. So after we finish placing it, we have to cut it. So I think that's more than enough for that. So I have to cut it up to there. I have to go this one. And I'm going to make a loop into this remaining part. So we have to bend it at the back, and then have to bend it at the back at that point, 90 degrees, and then you have to bend it going to the front. Then we're going to make kind of loop for it until it reaches the base, and then we shape it and place the end part of the head pin inside, or the eye pin inside. So now we have a nice loop here, nice hole here, wherein we're going to hang our piece hook. So we get the one open ring to the box, and then we're going to hook it here. Sorry. I think the best place to place it is here where the flower is. Then it gets more attention, the flower. So get another plier, and with another plier it will help it to seal the open ring, to finish our ring. So that's our first ring. That is the first part of our, and now we're going to do the same to the second part. Going to look for another open ring, opening it, and then getting the fish hook, and then we're going to hook it here. After hooking it here, there, we're going to get another plier to help other plier to seal and to close our open ring. They're so tiny. Sometimes it's difficult to work with them, but it goes. So now our dangling earring now is finished. So we have